Today I want to go through the unboxing of the TSC 55 REB. So with this, you're going to get a dust bag, obviously the TSC, and on the TSC it's going to already have the adjustable dust nozzle attached where you can use the dust extraction or you can use the bag itself. It's going to come with one SCA8 Airstream charger. It'll also come with an outfeed splinter guard, and installed on the saw you will have the clear plastic viewing window. And then it will come with two of the 5.2 amp hour lithium ion Bluetooth batteries. And the last thing is the limit stop that attaches the guide rail. You can find this product as well as anything else from Festool at any of your participating dealers.